Have you ever stopped to consider the profound impact of poetry on our lives? Today we explore the importance of poems in life. To begin, what exactly constitutes a poem? It's more than just lines that rhyme. Poetry often uses rhythm, meter, and powerful imagery to convey deep emotion and meaning, transcending simple prose. Fundamentally, poetry acts as a mirror, reflecting the vast complexity and nuances of the human experience back to us. One of the most vital roles of poetry is as a tool for emotional expression and an indispensable outlet for feelings. Poems provide structured language to help us process complex, often overwhelming emotions, turning confusion into clarity. When we read poetry, we often find validation for our personal struggles, realizing we are not alone in our deepest feelings. Next, let's explore how poetry dramatically enhances our capacity for language and communication. Exposure to poetry naturally expands our vocabulary and sharpens our understanding of linguistic nuance and subtle meanings. By stepping into the shoes of the poet or the subject, poetry helps us develop empathy and connect with shared human perspectives. Poetry is also a fantastic workout for the mind, offering significant cognitive benefits and boosting creativity. The abstract and metaphorical nature of verse forces our brains to make connections, stimulating imagination and abstract thinking. Poetry teaches us to be more observant, noticing details, and encouraging a deeper appreciation of the world around us. Beyond the personal, poetry plays a crucial, sometimes overlooked role in preserving culture and history. It serves as a living historical record, capturing the spirit of a time and acting as a cultural anchor for communities. Through enduring verses, poetry connects generations, passing down wisdom, stories, and shared human experience. So how can you integrate the power of poetry into your everyday life? Try reading a poem a day, attending a spoken word event, or even trying to write your own to fully experience its benefits. The enduring power of verse lies in its ability to enrich our inner and outer worlds. Make time for poetry and let it transform your life.